Hoi An, the yellow city of lanterns.
Alex, look at these buildings. Everything is so yellow.
It's beautiful. It feels like stepping back in time.
I read that some of these houses are hundreds of years old.
Is it hot? I'm already starting to sweat.
It's tropical, Alex. Welcome to Vietnam.
I need to find our homestay. I think it's nearby.
Wait, I want to take a picture of this flower first.
We have plenty of time for pictures. Let's drop our bags.
Okay. Lead the way, Mr. Map.
According to the GPS, it's just around the corner.
I can smell incense and delicious food already.
Xin Chao. Welcome to our home. I am Lan.
Hello, I'm Sophia, and this is Alex.
Nice to meet you. Your place is lovely.
Thank you. Did you find us easily?
Yes, your directions were very clear.
Are you hungry? I have some cold tea for you.
Oh, that sounds wonderful. We are quite thirsty.
Here you go. It is lemongrass and ginger tea.
Wow, this is very refreshing.
Your room is ready upstairs. I will show you.
Thank you so much for your hospitality, Lan.
My pleasure. Enjoy your stay in Hoi An.
I've heard this is the best banh mi in the world.
Anthony Bourdain called it a symphony in a sandwich.
Hello, one banh mi with everything?
Yes, please. Two, actually.
Pate pork, herbs, and spicy sauce?
Not too spicy for me, please.
Okay, little bit spicy for the lady. Extra spicy for the man?
Sure, I can handle it.
Look at how fast he cuts the bread.
Here you go, fresh and hot.
Thank you. How much is it?
30,000 dong each.
That's so cheap. Let's try it, Alex. This is the symbol of Hoi An, the Japanese covered bridge.
It was built in the 1590s, right?
Exactly, to connect the Japanese and Chinese quarters.
Look at these statues. A dog on this side and a monkey on the other.
I read that the construction started in the year of the dog and finished in the year of the monkey.
That's a cool fact. The wood is so dark and old.
It's amazing how well it's been preserved.
Can we walk inside the little temple part?
Yes, but we should be quiet and respectful.
I feel like a real explorer today.
You look like one too with your hat.
Hey, it protects me from the sun.
Welcome. You want a suit or a dress?
I'm thinking about a custom linen suit.
Excellent choice for the weather. Stand straight, please.
Can you make a silk dress by tomorrow?
Yes, we are very fast. Choose your color first.
I love this emerald green silk.
Emerald green is very popular this season.
Is it going to fit perfectly?
I take 10 different measurements. It will fit like a second skin.
Sounds great. I'll go with the light gray linen.
You're gonna look so handsome, Alex.
And you'll look stunning in that green.
A peaceful moment on the water.
The reflection of the town on the water is incredible.
Look at all the lanterns lighting up on the riverbanks.
You want to drop a paper lantern in the water?
Yes, please. I want to make a wish.
Here is a candle. Be careful with the fire.
1, 2, 3. There it goes.
It's floating away so peacefully.
Many people wish for health and happiness here.
That's exactly what I wished for.
Me too. And maybe for another banh mi tomorrow.
Alex, you're ruining the romantic moment.
Apply the glue only on the bamboo frame.
Like this? It's harder than it looks.
Yes, then pull the silk tight, not too hard.
Oh no, I think I ripped mine.
Don't worry, I can fix it with a little piece of silk.
Mine is starting to look like a real lantern.
Your pattern is much straighter than mine.
I have a steady hand, Alex.
Now we wait for the glue to dry.
Can we take these home in our suitcases?
Yes, they fold down flat, very easy to carry.
I'm going to put mine in my bedroom.
2 bowls of tao lao, specialty of Hoi An.
It looks delicious. What's in it?
Thick noodles, pork, local greens, and crispy crackers.
I heard the water for the noodles must come from a specific ancient well.
Yes, the bail. Well, that is the secret.
The noodles are so chewy and flavorful.
And these crispy squares add a nice texture.
Would you like some local beer to go with it?
Yes, a cold LaRue beer would be perfect.
I'll stick with fresh coconut water.
Of course, coming right up.
Dinner with a view. I could get used to this. It's so crowded. Everyone is out tonight.
The night market is always the heart of the city.
Look at these hand-painted fans. They're so delicate.
Should we buy some souvenirs for our families?
Yes, I want to get some of those magnets and maybe a silk scarf.
I'm going to look for some cool t-shirts.
Don't forget to haggle a little bit.
I'm not very good at that. I feel bad asking for a lower price.
It's part of the culture here. Just be polite.
Okay, I'll try. Can you give me a discount?
Good job. You're learning fast.
Learning and eating, my favorite kind of vacation.
I don't want to leave. Hoi An is magical.
I know, it's been such a rich experience.
From the food to the tailoring, everything was perfect.
My favorite part was the boat ride at sunset.
I liked the lantern making workshop the most.
We definitely learned a lot of new words and customs.
Vietnam has stolen a piece of my heart.
And filled your stomach with banh mi.
True. Our taxi to the airport will be here in 10 minutes.
Got the passports? Got the lanterns?
Everything is packed. Goodbye, Hoi An.
And until next time, Vietnam!